guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix internet connection problem or no internet in your Windows 7. And if you got any error like undefined network, how to fix it, we will know that in this video. So let's start the video. The first method is open your Windows Explorer in Windows 7. Click on computer option, right click on it and click on manage option. After that click on device manager option and select here network adapter option. Expand it and select here your network adapter. Right click on it and click on update driver software option. Click on search browse my computer for driver software and let me pick from a list this option and select here your network adapter. Okay, and click on next option. Your adapter will updated here. Click on close button and check your internet connection is working or not. Okay, if your problem is not fixed, we are going next method. And next method is set your date or time as a current date and time. Your date and time should be correct on your Windows 7. And the second method is click on start button and select here control option and select here this option large icon and select here internet option. Click on advanced option and click on reset option and click here reset and close it and check your internet connection is working or not. If you got same error, we are going for next method. Close it. Right click on network option and click here troubleshoot problems. Click on apply this fix option. So guys, your problem is fixed here. As you can see, close it and check your internet connection is working or not. Open any browser and search any website. Okay, close it. And if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method and click on start button. After that type here run, click on run and type here ncpa.cpl and click on OK button. After that right click on it and click on properties. If this option is unchecked here, check it and click on properties option. After that select automatically for this option and select here, type here DNS same IP address, close it and check your internet connection is working or not. Okay, if your problem is not fixed here, right click again on local area connection and click on disable option and right click again and click on enable option and check your internet connection is working or not. Okay, if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method. Click on start button and click on control option, troubleshooting option and select here network and internet option. Click on it. Okay, network and internet option and click on network adapter and click next button. Okay, after that close it. So guys, your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.